Hi traders! Welcome back on the Phidias Propfirm YouTube channel. I'm Florian Trader and today it's a special video. Why? Because I have the pleasure to announce you that I'm the new official ambassador of Phidias Propfirm. And I'm doing my first video with you guys for the best Propfirm in Europe and soon the best of the world. And that's why you're going to see my face everywhere on this YouTube channel from now. And for that, today we're getting straight into something you need to understand if you're trading in 2025 or even for next year. Why futures traders are absolutely crushing this year and how prop firms are amplifying these returns like never before. No fluff, no beginner explanations, this is for real traders, people already in the game, and I'm telling you right now, 2025 is the best environment futures traders have seen in years. So let's go if you're ready, let's break it down! The numbers don't lie. Futures traders are outperforming. Why? Let's start with facts. Not opinions and not Twitter takes. Only facts. According to best prop firms and Propfirm app, payout success rates skyrocketed in 2024 and continued into early 2025. Propfirm app reports that indices and futures traders account for the majority for payouts, consistently outperforming forex and synthetic traders. Best prop firms showed that 2024 and 2025 is the first period where consistency rates actually improved, even with higher volatility. And here's the punchline. Most traders getting paid today are futures traders, not forex traders, not somebody else as a traders. This is only the most famous paid are futures traders, particularly on US indices like ES and NQ, YM, the high liquidity products. Why? Just because the environment is made exactly for them right now. And the second part is 2025. The market conditions are built for momentum traders. Because 2025 has given us what every futures trader dreams of. Volatility with direction. This started in mid-2024 and accelerated with the new macro cycle in 2025. And here are the three big drivers. The first one is directionality is back. We are not stuck like in 2022 in a chop condition markets or anymore. We get clean legs, clean impulsive moves, and repeatable intraday patterns. You can literally see the algo structure much more clearly this year. The second big driver is the liquidity is insane. The market depth of ES and NQ is way healthier. Volume is real. Rotations are sharp and reactions around key levels are consistent. No whale flash crashes every week, no random dead zones. This is momentum trader paradise. And the third one, big drivers, is that the microstructure is readable right now. Order flows, they are telling the truth again. And for traders like me who rely on momentum, timing, and flow, this is the prime time. And so the bottom line is that the futures volatility is now tradable volatility. The second one is that the moves have continuity. And the last one is there is a real opportunity every single week. So now, how prop firms amplify futures traders' returns. And here's where it gets fun. If you are a futures trader with a real edge, Propfirm in 2025 and even the next year 2026 are the biggest multiplier you can imagine, and you can get it. Here's why. First one, the leverage without the risk of blowing your own savings. You're controlling an account that you choose, for example a 50k, a 100k or even a 150k account without dropping 50k or the amount that you chose. But I think you should already know it. And if you know it and you get it, you know how insane that is when the market is moving like it is in 2025 that we get this year. The second one is that the futures mean a transparent market structure. Propfirms love futures because they are regulated, centralized, and clean. No shady feeds, no synthetic candles, no brokers adjusting spreads. And that's exactly why futures traders succeed more in prop environments. And it's not me who telling that, it's their edge who actually shows it. Then, payouts are happening faster than ever. Based on the prop industry stats, last year, so I mean 2024 and this year, payouts volumes are up. Payout acceptance rates are up too. And futures payouts dominate the charts. So when you combine a strong market with a strong prop structure, traders get funded faster, traders stay funded longer, and traders scale way faster. And some props are built specifically for futures, and that makes a huge difference. Foundations, rules, risk systems, all optimized for futures. In 2025, the props built on futures infrastructure are the ones growing the fastest. This is really something that everyone should know it. And now let's move on the next part, who is why 2026, so next year, is shaping up to be even better for futures traders. Because in 2025, we know everyone that we got a big and incredible year. But then next year, in 2026, is looking even better for futures traders. And here's why. First point, volatility isn't going anywhere. It's evolving. We are entering a new macro phase. Post-election rotations, new fiscal policies, interest rates, restructuring. All of these keeps volatility alive, but more importantly, more predictable. And this is the kind of volatility momentum traders love. The second point is that liquidity is increasing and not shrinking. The funds are rebalancing aggressively going into Q1 of 2026. And that means deeper books, thicker liquidity nodes, and even cleaner reactions around key levels. And futures traders thrive when liquidity is both available and directional. And that's exactly where we are heading. The third point is that microstructure signals will get sharper. Delta imbalances, absorption, or the speed of tape, all these tools become extremely reliable again in 2025. And every sign points to an even clearer tape in 2026. These are the conditions that separate real traders from random clickers. The fourth point is that futures traders now have more capital access than ever. Because last year in 2024 and this year in 2025, it was a boom. And next year is going to be the consolidation. More Propfirms, better infrastructure, better risk models, less useless rules, faster payouts. This creates a perfect scenario, market giving opportunity, props giving leverage, and traders capturing both. And the purpose of the traders is that to capturing the both. So probably you would ask me, why are futures traders poised to win even harder in 2026? And here's the reality for next year. Volatility stays elevated. Trend structure stays clean in intraday rotations. Liquidity gets deeper. Macro catalysts remain constant. Order flow remains extremely readable. Propfirms keep pushing better conditions for futures traders. And traders entering in 2026 are far more skilled than it was in 2022 and 2023. So that's why 2026 isn't just a continuation, it's an acceleration. And if you survived of the chop of 2024 and capitalized in 2025 this year, next year is the year where you will scale. So how traders can capitalize on 2026? Thanks to Propfirm allocations like Phidias Propfirm. So now if you want to capitalize on everything coming in 2026, this is where Propfirms, especially futures first, firms like Phidias Propfirm are completely change the game. And I'm not going to give you trading strategies. I'm talking about opportunity structure. scaling potential, and capital access. Because that's what matters for 2026. Here's how traders positioning themselves to win big using the allocation systems that Phidias Propfirm offers. The first one is multiple accounts. It's mean to multiple cash flows. Futures traders entering in 2026 next year aren't running one little evaluation account. They are building and they want to build an allocation structure. With Phidias, traders can operate with a static account, a fundamental account, a swing account, the only Propfirm in the world in the futures industry who can offer a swing trading account. And the fourth one is that an unlimited 10K drawdown challenge accounts if they want to compete. That means diversified cash flows paths, and this is something you simply cannot do with another Propfirm, and less even with your own capital. The second point about allocation structure of Phidias Propfirm is that scaling with slots gives you real capital power, because this is the part most traders underestimate. At Phidias, you are allowed to get 5 slots per category, except for the 150K accounts, which counts as a 2 slots. That means in a single category like fundamental or swing accounts with Phidias Propfirm, you can run either 2 150K accounts, because it's equal at 4 slots, because like I said before, 150K accounts is 2 slots, and 2 plus 2 is equal at 4. So if you have 4 slots for example for the fundamental accounts, you can get another 50K accounts because it's 1 slot, or 100K accounts because it's 1 slot too. Okay, this is a maxed out category. Or either I can give another example. You can take and you can get 5 50K accounts or 5 100K accounts because it's 5 slots. And that's a serious buying power on futures market. That's how traders amplify their real allocation in 2026 without risking personal capital. The third one is the payout system rewards consistency. Here's why traders love it, and Phidias Propfirm keeps payout simple. First criteria, you need 10 trading days between withdrawals. Second, minimum $500 per payout. Third one, consistency rule is at 30%. Fourth one, profit split 80-20 in your favor. And you can pull everything in your buffer, unlike all the other Propfirms. And there was absolutely no denied payouts. Absolutely no one. None. No rule changes, just clear expectations. And payout volume across the industry is up too. So having a structure that pays fast and guarantee you to get it matters even more going into 2026. The next point is that the live account path means real long-term capital. And this is the part that changes careers. To go live at Phidias Propfirm, you just need either $75,000 total payouts across your cash accounts, or either 3 payouts from the same cash account, or either if you are running a 25K static account, you just need to complete it to get the profit target at $1,500. And if you succeed it, you go directly in a live account. And once you hit a live, what happens? Your account gets credited with real money based on your positive cash balances. That means every positive account you run on the way up turns into funding power in your live phase. And for traders heading in 2026, that's huge. It means you are not just making payouts, you are building a long-term capital base that you keep forever. In the other hands, there are the elite and master live levels who let you scale even higher. If you stay consistent on live, you can move into the elite and master levels. So what is exactly these levels? The elite live, you need to trade 60 days on your live account and reach 125K on your live account. And then you can get plus $25,000 who is going to be credited on your live account. And the master level is just the double of the elite live. So you need to trade at least 120 days and reach $250,000 on your live account. And if you succeed it, you're going to be credited of plus $50,000 on your live account. This is just insane. And these tiers are designed for futures traders who want to scale responsibly, while keeping the payout structure and transparency that Phidias is known for. So to end this part, instead of talking about strategies, the real question is how much capital can you access and how efficiently can you scale it. Next year, 2026 is the perfect year to do it. And firms built especially for futures, like Phidias Propfirm, give traders the exact structure they need to take full advantage of the market. Alright traders, that's why futures traders are absolutely crushing in this year in 2025 and why Propfirms are making it even better. If you're trading futures, this is your year, the year who's gonna come. And if you're not, you're watching the opportunity pass by. Let me know in the comments what markets you are trading and if you want to see how I'm trading the momentum at the open on the Nasdaq and doing strategic trades. Come in live every day from Monday to Friday at 9 a.m. Eastern Time and we're gonna spend all together a really good time. And if you liked this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button channel. I'll see you in the next one, in the next video, or maybe in the next trading live sessions. And let's make 2026 your breakthrough year. It was Florian Trader. See you soon. Ciao, ciao, ciao.
Money talks, future markets breathe fire. Locked in the charts, pushing limits, taking it higher. Roll the dice on contracts, no casino, this grinds trust. Risk reward combo, fine line sharp as a thrust. Phidias crew, Propfirm kings.